Good morning, everybody. This is Ray Demers, and I'm coming to you from Vatland, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram here in Vero Beach. And I'm currently inside a brand new 2020 1500 Bighorn pickup truck. And what I'd like to show you today is how to operate the emergency brake. So Ram has gone away from the pedal where it is kick to engage and kick to release. It now is just a button. So down here, as you can see, you'll have a parking brake right here. So to engage, we're just going to pull up, okay? So there's no requirement to hit your brake or anything to engage the emergency brake. Now to disengage the emergency brake, you must put your foot on the brake and then push to disengage. Again, just a quick little how-to. Hope you're having a great day. Come on down to see us at Vatland, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram, right here on Route 1 in Vero Beach. We're open today. Come on down for a great deal.